General elections are held in Kenya on 9 August 2022. Voters will elect the president, members of the National Assembly and Senate, county governors of Kenya and members of the 47 county assemblies of Kenya. General elections in Kenya are held after every 5 years. This will be the third general election and the fourth presidential one since the promulgation of the 2010 constitutional referendum. The incumbent president Uhuru Kenyatta is not eligible for a third term, as are two-term county governors as stated by the country's laws. This year's general election saw the lowest number of presidential candidates cleared since the multi-party system was implemented in 1992. The Constitution of Kenya requires that a general election of members of parliament be held on the second Tuesday of August in every fifth year, which means that the next general election is scheduled for 9 August 2022. If Kenya is at war, the election can be delayed if a resolution is passed in each House of Parliament by at least two-thirds of all the members of the House. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.